Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Genius installed and signed in, so open the app and choose Email, Google, or Apple ID to authenticate. This links your data. Once signed in, allow mic and storage permissions because Genius analyzes audio and saves annotations. Make sure notifications and background refresh are enabled so syncs occur automatically. If you have multiple devices, enable Device Sync now so your work appears everywhere. These first actions let you move straight into creating and analyzing content. You next create a project by tapping New, adding a concise title, tags, and choosing a template that matches your goal. This organizes output. Then record directly or upload an audio file, trim the clip, and place notes at timestamps where key ideas occur. Once ready, run analysis. Pick the analysis model, set sensitivity and noise reduction, and preview output. As you preview, revise timestamps and annotations. This iterative loop improves accuracy and produces clean, usable results for export. To finish, export, or share your work, choose TXT, SRT, DocX, or generate a share link and confirm privacy settings. You can also automate recurring jobs with scheduled workflows or use the API key for integrations, which speeds repeated tasks. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then update the app and clear the cache. Many issues stem from outdated builds or blocked mic/storage access. If problems persist, re-record a short sample and compare analysis to isolate noise or format problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.